Testing for hydrogen peroxide, featuring Taylor's K8020, formulated for exclusive use with Taylor's TTI colorimeter. Test method: iodide catalytic oxidation. This method uses NN-diethyl p-phenylenediamine, DPD, and potassium iodide with a catalyst. Hydrogen peroxide oxidizes potassium iodide to iodine with the assistance of the catalyst. Iodine is then able to react with the DPD to produce a magenta color that is proportional to the concentration of hydrogen peroxide in a sample. Interferences. The following analytes were tested to the levels listed and found not to cause any interference up to the specified values. Test procedure. Before beginning this or any other Taylor test, it is best to read the instructions through to the end. Familiarizing yourself with all the steps to come is particularly important if the test is new to you, or if the reagent pack is newly purchased, as sometimes our procedures change. Note, if the expected concentration is above 2 parts per million hydrogen peroxide, dilute the designated volume of sample water to the 50 ml mark using DI water in the dilution vial. Then cap and mix thoroughly. If the expected concentration is above 20 parts per million hydrogen peroxide, use a 1 ml pipette to dispense the sample into the dilution vial. Then fill the vial to the 50 ml mark using DI water. To begin, press the power button to turn on the colorimeter. Press the main menu button and select a test menu, All Tests, Recent Test, or Favorites. For this demonstration, we will select the All Tests menu, which contains a list of the pre-programmed Taylor tests. If you have added the hydrogen peroxide 2 test to your Favorites menu, it can be found there also, or in the Recent Tests menu if it's a test that you have performed within your last 10 procedures. Scroll up or down to locate the hydrogen peroxide 2 test, then press Enter. Rinse and fill the 25 mm sample cell to the 10 ml mark with the sample. Then cap. Insert sample cell into the sample cell compartment, aligning the arrow on the cell to the notch in the sample cell compartment, then gently push down. Select 0 using the scroll arrows and press Enter. 0 will be displayed on the screen. Remove sample cell from the sample cell compartment and remove cap. Add 5 drops of hydrogen peroxide 2, reagent A, then swirl to mix. Add 5 drops of hydrogen peroxide 2, reagent B, then swirl to mix. Add 5 drops of hydrogen peroxide 2, reagent C, then cap and swirl to mix thoroughly. Insert sample cell into the sample cell compartment. Select Timer using the scroll arrows and press Enter. Select Start, then press Enter. A 5-minute countdown will begin. Immediately select Auto, then press Enter. When the timer beeps, the instrument will read the sample and the result will be displayed. If a dilution was required, multiply the result by the designated multiplication factor noted on the instruction. Other reagent packs. In addition to the K8020, Taylor manufactures many other tests for the TTI colorimeter series. To view the complete listing, choose the Product Info button, go to Buy Colorimeter in the drop-down menu, then select Reagent Packs for your meter model. We also make an accuracy check kit, which should be used periodically to check for instrument performance.
Taylor's knowledgeable customer service representatives are available to provide technical assistance about our products. Call 800-TEST-KIT